ZANU-PF is signaled the dawn of a new era as the party prepares to elect a successor to President E.D. Mnangagwa, making a decisive shift in power towards Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sanapenda mashikondani kwa pana mrubo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina mzimba mnanyara chiti. Sources within the party confirm that Mnangagwa will conclude his leadership in 2028 as Chiwenga allies successfully blocked the ET 2030 slogan that symbolized support for an extended Mnangagwa. The move to squash the ET 2030 slogan unfolded during a heated Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee meeting on Sunday, where Chiwenga's allies aggressively challenged the party's stance on Mnangagwa's long-term vision. Initially, Chiwenga's military-backed intervention placed Mnangagwa in power, yet the two factions have diverged on their vision for the party's future. Chiwenga's recent victory reflects his growing dominance and sets the stage for a leadership transition under his influence. As the dust settles on this latest showdown, ZANU-PF is poised to redefine its leadership structure, with Chiwenga now standing as the clear frontrunner to take the party's reins. Farai Marapira, the ZANU-PF spokesperson, declined to comment on these developments from China, as the implications of Chiwenga's ascendancy continue to ripple through the party. Thomas Shwatuna kuti aiwa kunyange zvavo vanhu vakona kuti zino clear kuti aiwa Chiwenga ndiye anokwanisa kusucceeda mutungamiri wenyika, but it is not clear. Tinoona kuti kunyange nemaspokesperson nevamwe vari mu the ruling party havasi kuda kunyanya kupinda panhau iyi, nokuti vanozwa kuti aiwa vakomana kana when it comes to politics mu the ruling party ZANU-PF it is a dirty game. Zvinogona kuzokubefaira. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutikudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi, muna comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.